Hello Keystone investors, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting sail on a new adventure, exploring the intersection of cryptocurrencies and tourism. Now you might be wondering, what does digital currency have to do with my vacation? Well, as it turns out, quite a lot. You see, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate independently of a central bank, making them a decentralized option for transactions. But beyond being a new form of money, they're also a new technology. A technology that's starting to change the way we do things in many areas of our lives, including traveling. Imagine being able to pay for your hotel stay, your flight, or even morning coffee at a Parisian cafe with digital currency. Imagine not having to worry about exchange rates or carrying around cash or cards. That's the potential of cryptocurrency in tourism. By the end of the video, you'll not only understand how this works, but you'll also see how embracing this new frontier could make your own travel experiences more seamless, secure, and maybe even cheaper. This isn't just about keeping up with technology. It's about enhancing your own travel experiences and potentially making your life easier. So whether you're planning a trip, dreaming of one, or just curious about the future of travel, stick around. This journey into the world of cryptocurrency and tourism promises to be an enlightening one. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are cryptocurrencies? At their core, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual forms of money. They exist online and use a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized system spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. This decentralization is what makes them different from traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, which are controlled by central banks. Now, one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of different cryptocurrencies have been developed, each with their own unique features and uses. Some coins like Bitcoin are primarily used as digital money. Others provide a platform for building secure blockchain-based apps or function as a private forms of money. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called cryptography. It's a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those who possess a secret key can decipher it, making it a secure way to conduct transactions. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but what does this have to do with travel? Well, the rise and acceptance of cryptocurrencies have been nothing short of a phenomenon. They're being used in various sectors, from finance to retail, and yes, even tourism. Businesses are starting to see the potential benefits of accepting cryptocurrencies, such as lower transaction fees and access to global market. And for us, as consumers and travelers, it opens up a new world of possibility. Now that we've got a handle on what cryptocurrencies are, let's explore how they're making their mark on the tourism industry. You see, the tourism sector is always evolving, always looking for ways to improve the travel experience, and cryptocurrencies are becoming a part of that evolution. One of the ways cryptocurrencies are being integrated into the tourism industry is through payment options. More and more travel agencies, airlines, and hotels are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. For instance, there are online travel booking platforms that allow you to pay for your flight, hotels, and car rentals using Bitcoin. Some airlines have also started accepting Bitcoin payments for flight tickets. But it's not just about adding another payment option. Cryptocurrencies bring some unique benefits to the table. One of the biggest advantages is the ease of international transactions. If you've ever traveled abroad, you know the hassle of currency exchange rates and the international transaction fees. With cryptocurrencies, you can make payments directly and instantly, no matter where you are in the world, without worrying about these fees. Another potential benefit is cost savings. Because cryptocurrencies operate without a central authority, transaction fees are often lower than traditional payment systems. This means businesses can pass these savings on to you, potentially making your travels a bit cheaper. And let's not forget about security. Cryptocurrencies offer a level of security and privacy that traditional payment methods can't match. Because of the nature of blockchain technology, transactions are secure and can't be tampered with. This provides a peace of mind when you're traveling and making transactions in unfamiliar places. So as you can see, cryptocurrencies are not just a buzzword in the tourism industry. They're a tool that's enhancing the travel experience, making it more convenient, secure, and potentially even more affordable. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real-world examples in the next section. First up, let's talk about Travala.com, a well-known online travel agency. Travala.com is unique because it allows travelers to book hotels and flights using a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and their own native token, AVA. They've reported that a significant portion of their bookings are made with cryptocurrencies, indicating a growing acceptance amongst travelers. Another example is the city of Dubai. Known for its futuristic architecture and luxurious lifestyle, Dubai is also embracing the future of finance. The city's tourism department announced a partnership with a blockchain company to offer digital currency payment options for tourists. This initiative is a part of a broad strategy to transform Dubai into a fully integrated digital city. And it's not just travel agencies and cities. Individual hotels and resorts are also getting on board. For instance, the 5-star Dolder Grand Hotel in Zurich, Switzerland started accepting Bitcoin payments in 2019. They partnered with a Swiss fintech firm to provide a seamless and secure payment experience for their guests. These examples show that cryptocurrencies are not just a theoretical concept in the tourism industry. They're being used here and now, providing tangible benefits to both businesses and travelers. The integration of cryptocurrencies into the tourism industry is still in its early stages, and there are challenges to overcome, but the potential is undeniable, and the journey is just beginning. So what does the future hold for cryptocurrencies and tourism? Let's explore that next. One potential development is the wider acceptance of cryptocurrencies by travel-related businesses. As more businesses recognize the benefits of cryptocurrencies, we could see an increase in the number of airlines, hotels, and tour operators accepting digital currency payments. This would give travelers more options and flexibility when planning their trips. Another exciting possibility is the use of blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, for other aspects of travel. Blockchain could be used to create more secure and efficient systems for booking and managing travel. For instance, it could be used to verify identities, making processes like airport security smoother and faster. However, like any emerging technology, there are challenges to overcome. One of the main challenges is volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, with their value fluctuating significantly in short periods. This could pose risks for both businesses and travelers. Another challenge is regulation. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and these decisions could impact their use in the tourism industry. Now, despite these challenges, the opportunities are immense. The intersection of cryptocurrencies and tourism represents a new frontier in travel. One of that promises to make our travel experience more efficient, secure, and inclusive. As we navigate this new frontier, it's important for us, whether we're industry professionals or everyday travelers, to stay informed and open to the possibilities. After all, who knows where our journey might take us next? So we started with an understanding of what cryptocurrencies are and how they work. We then explored how these digital currencies are making their way into the tourism industry, offering benefits like ease of international transactions, potential cost savings, and increased security. We looked at real-world examples of how cryptocurrencies are being used in the tourism industry today, from online travel agencies like Travala.com to forward-thinking cities like Dubai. These case studies showcase the potential of cryptocurrencies to enhance our travel experiences. Looking towards the future, we discussed the potential developments and challenges in this area. Despite the challenges, the opportunities are immense, and the journey is just beginning. And that brings us to the end of this episode. As we conclude, I encourage you to continue exploring this exciting intersection of cryptocurrencies and tourism. Whether you're planning your next trip or just curious about the future of travel, understanding the role of cryptocurrencies in tourism could open up new possibilities and transform your travel experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey. I wish you all safe travels and happy investing. I'll see you in the next one.